Benjamin's still asleep. I'm gonna take you to his new bedroom, outdoors. Come check it out. He's in there. Little wake up time. Ready to go? Yo YouTube, so we're back and I want to do a quick breakdown of our program. But just so you have an idea that there's a method to the madness of what me and my boy are doing to build muscle, bro. We got Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday and on Thursday, we do 1 set to failure. And then on Tuesday and on Friday, we do EDT. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check this video out. It's about EDT and HIT workouts. We're kind of blending the two. The EDT workouts are like the farmer's carries, the sandbag loading, strongman stuff. And we're doing that mostly for conditioning, to get that ticker talking. Day like today when we're doing HIT training, which I think better to call it 1 set to failure. So I say OSTF training, 1 set to failure training. Really, it's 1 burnout set to death. And that's what we're gonna do here today with push-ups. I'm gonna hit some bench presses, so it's all horizontal pull and push. And then we finish up with some lower body prehab, rehab, knees over toe type workouts. It's gonna be pretty cool for you to watch Benjamin progress over the next couple years. And then from there, we're gonna do push-ups off the bar, and then we'll make it progressively easier because he's more fatigued with each part of the exercise. So it's 1 set to failure. I'm gonna do this little trick here so that I can kind of help him out. I'm gonna put this around your waist. Boom. I'm just gonna use this to sort of guide him on his way up. Shoot for as many as you can. Nice. 4. And keep going, buddy. You got this. That's 10. Go out. See if you get 3 more. 3. Nice. Take a break. That's actually the best you've ever done with push-ups. You're doing pretty good. 2. Good. 6. Keep going. 5. Nice. Surprised me on that. Usually we hit failure down there, but he kept going. So it's my turn next. More. Round 2 for Ben. Whatever you can do here. Keep going, get 20. So I got seated rows next. I'm kind of going back and forth between bent over rows and seated rows. But I don't have enough weight on my weight stack. So I got a hack by putting these dumbbells on top. Probably a little bit dangerous maybe. for lower body, we're gonna do reverse Nordics and Nordics. Maybe do like 3 to 5 sets of 5. I haven't done this in several months. I don't even know if I can do it. It's one of those things, if I don't do it regularly, I just can't do it. See, a lot harder than you'd imagine. Those are called reverse Nordics. These are Nordics. So it looks a little something like this. I want to introduce you to our dogs here. Really hyper, if you can tell, and they love each other and hate each other. They're licking until they bite. Look. This is Remy, by the way. This is Rita. I got Remy during 2020 lockdown. He went through a year of consistent training, a little bit older. Rita, obviously a female. If you remember, I had a series on my channel when I was training for Strongman about a year ago, and I had a tiny little puppy named Splinter. And Splinter got run over by a car. About a week later, we went and got Rita from the same breeder. Anyway, just wanted to thank y'all for being here with us. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the subscribes, thank you for the views, thank you for the shares, and thank you for the money you've been sending. We're gonna have a bunch of more shout outs to guys who've been hitting that $ button and giving Simone a tip. She got a raise, by the way. I think you guys are making her look good by giving those good comments and hitting that $ with the heart around it button. Keep doing that, stay strong. Let me know how you like this series. Me and Ben are gonna finish up by taking these 2 canines around the lake for a walk. See you next time. Done.